Hey guys, how's it going? KW back here for another hotel room tour. We are here in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, here at the Holiday Inn Express. So let's do a room tour of this room. So, start off at the door. Here's our map. Pause if you want to read that. Safety tips. Lock. Deadbolt. This other lock. Here's our closet area. Iron board. And a seat. That's our closet area. Bathroom's occupied as usual. So what we're looking at here is a room with 2 beds. So let's go in depth. We got a microwave. We got a mirror. 55-inch Samsung TV. And here, full-size mini fridge. Drawers. Lights. Free-flowing nightstand. A clock with a nightlight. Here's the address, just in case if you guys want to stay here. This place was just renovated, and the reason you can tell by the ceiling up here is the older property, but they did just renovate. And you can tell it looks like the Holiday Inn Express in Rehoboth Beach. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, that's what the room kind of looks like. But they did just renovate here, so it's very nice. Here's the beds. They are newer mattresses. The beds aren't that bad after a night's sleep. We got a Keurig here that has my oatmeal on it. We got a desk that pulls out right there where I'm pointing. And a little drawer. We got this touch sensitive desk light. Yeah, we got that. Some European plugs. We're coming out from out of the country. Here's our P-Tech GE. Yeah, there's control by controls right there. Now this hotel room actually has, yes, a porch, and it has this tacky sign. Notice sliding glass door. No duh. Trying to figure that. Open it up. Here's our little porch right here. Got 2 chairs. And we got a view of the highway here in King of Prussia. Right there, we got a view of Walmart. Right there. There's an American flag and a Holiday Inn Express flag. And we got a view of Wegmans as well. And it is a 4-minute walk to the King of Prussia Mall. If you guys are coming here and you guys are interested in that. So, yeah, here's one more look at the deck area. Yeah. Let's get another look at the room. This place is does have free breakfast. It's doing a grab and go breakfast. This place does not have a pool, but yeah, this place is nice and updated and clean. Staff is really nice. I checked us in last night and I haven't found any issues. I paid after taxes $64 for this room with my employee discount from work, and yeah, but for that price, it's definitely good, but yeah. The regular rate is under $100, 75 I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, if you're ever in this area, Holiday Inn Express, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, could be your place. With all that being said, KW out.